Question number 501. Two persons A and B fight with each other. A was having a blade with which A inflicts injury on the face of B, leaving permanent scar on the face of B. A is guilty of the offense of causing. Options are grievous hurt by sharp cutting object, grievous hurt by rash or negligent act, simple hurt by sharp cutting object, simple hurt by rash or negligent act. Here the correct answer is grievous hurt by sharp cutting object. Question number 502. A was beaten by A. In this act, A's shoulder was dislocated, not fractured. B is liable for, here B will be liable for the grievous hurt. Question number 503. Which kind of hurt is not grievous? Options are any hurt which endangers life, any hurt which causes the sufferer to be during the space of 15 days in severe bodily pain, permanent privation of the sight of either eye, privation of any member or joint. Correct answer is option B. That is any hurt which causes sufferer to be during the space of 15 days in severe bodily pain. This is not grievous hurt. Other hurts are grievous hurt. Question number 504. Which of the act amounts to grievous hurt? Options are option A, beating with a hockey stick, emasculation, both, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, that is emasculation. Question number 505. A causes B a superficial skin deep injury by a sword. What offense is committed? Option hurt, hurt by dangerous weapon, bleeding hurt, serious hurt. Here the correct answer is option B, that is hurt by dangerous weapon. Question number 506. Which one of the following offenses cannot be summarily tried? Options are grievous hurt, theft with the value of stolen properties below ₹100, theft relating to the section 454 and 456 of IPC, offense of abatement of offenses enumerated. Here the correct answer is option A, that is grievous hurt. Grievous hurt cannot be tried summarily. Question number 507. B assaults A using sharp edged weapon, resulting in an injury which is 6 meters long and half meter deep in the right forearm of A. B is liable to be charged for an offence punishable under section 323, section 324, section 325, section 326. Correct answer is section 325 IPC. Question number 508. An offence of voluntarily causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapons or means as provided under section 326 of IPC is compoundable, non-compoundable, compoundable with the permission of court, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, that is non-compoundable. Question number 509. Acid attack is an offence mentioned in section 326, section 320, section 326A, section 354. Correct answer is section 326A of IPC. Question number 510. Which of the following is an offence under IPC? Purchasing acid, throwing acid on a person with the intention of maiming or disfiguring, manufacturing acid, selling acid. Here the correct answer is option B, that is throwing acid on a person with the intention of maiming or disfiguring. Question number 511. In which case the Honorable Supreme Court has directed to pay minimum compensation of ₹3 lakh per acid attack victim. Options are Lakshmi versus Union of India, Sanjay Mitra versus State of West Bengal, Vennagood Anuradha Sameer versus Vennagood Mohandas Sameer, Indra Vijay Ashok versus State of Madhya Pradesh. In question number 511, correct answer is Lakshmi versus Union of India. This is a landmark judgment. It has been asked in various examinations, so please remember this question. Question number 512. Voluntarily throwing or attempting to throw acid is an offence punishable under IPC. This we have already discussed. Punishable under section 326B. Question number 513. Voluntarily causing grievous hurt to extort property or a valuable security or to constrain to do anything which is illegal or which may facilitate the commission of an offence is dealt under. Options are section 329, section 330, section 331, section 332. Correct answer is section 329 of IPC. Question number 514. A police officer tortures B in order to induce B to confess that he committed a crime. Under which section of IPC the police officer is guilty of an offence? Correct answer is section 330 of IPC. Question number 515. What punishment may be awarded for the offence voluntarily causing hurt to deter a public servant from his duty under section 332 of IPC? Imprisonment up to 3 years or fine or both, imprisonment up to 5 years or fine or both, imprisonment up to 7 years and fine or both, imprisonment up to 10 years and fine or both. Correct answer is imprisonment up to 3 years or fine or both under section 323 of IPC. Question number 516. Which one of the following sections of IPC relates to punishment for voluntarily causing hurt on provocation? Options are section 324, section 332, section 334, section 323. Correct answer is section 334. Wrongful restraint has been defined under Section 339 of IPC, Section 340 of IPC, Section 341 of IPC, Section 342 of IPC. Correct answer is Section 339 of IPC. Wrongful restraint is defined in Section 339 of IPC. Question number 518. Who voluntarily obstruct any person so as to prevent that person from proceeding in any direction in which that person has a right to proceed is wrongful confinement, wrongful restraint, force, defamation. Correct answer is wrongful restraint. Question number 519. Punishment for wrongful restraint is only simple imprisonment, only rigorous imprisonment, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is only simple imprisonment. Question number 520. A threatens to set a savage dog at Z if Z goes along a path which Z has a right to do. It is no offense, offense of hurt, wrongful restraint, wrongful confinement. Correct answer is wrongful restraint. N. A landlord, after repeatedly demanding and not letting the rent of his flat from the tenant H, one day locked the flat in order to not to allow H to enter it till he pays the rent to him. Which of the following offences N has committed under IPC? Wrongful confinement, criminal force, assault, wrongful restraint. Here correct answer is wrongful restraint. Question number 522. Wrongful confinement has been defined under Section 339, Section 340, Section 342, none of these. Correct answer is option B, that is Section 340 of IPC. Wrongful confinement has been defined. Question number 523. In which section of IPC the punishment for wrongful restraint has been provided? Correct answer is Section 341. In Section 341, punishment for wrongful restraint has been provided. Question number 524. Police officer arrested and detained a person in lockup despite production of a bail order from court. Police officer is liable to wrongful restraint, wrongful confinement, kidnapping, abduction. Correct answer is option B, that is wrongful confinement. Police officer will be liable for wrongful confinement. Question number 525. A causes Z to go within a walled space and locks Z in. Z thus prevented from proceeding in any direction. Which of the following crimes was committed by A? Here A has committed the wrongful confinement. If any person is confined into some walled space or walled structure and was prevented from proceeding in any direction, it will be wrongful confinement. If in any particular direction, then it will be wrongful restraint. Here the correct answer is option C, that is wrongful confinement.